Hello everyone, today we will be discussing Verizon Cloud versus iCloud. Which one is the best? Before we begin, please do like and subscribe to the channel. So first of all, every device needs a backup storage to save the data. Both Verizon Cloud and iCloud are good options for that. So let's see the comparison summary. For the Verizon Cloud, its storage is upgradable up to 2 terabytes. Its features includes a backup and storage, file sharing, online storage, and it is compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. As for its prices, it has a 30 days free trial and it starts at $5.99 per month for 600 gigabytes of storage. So for the iCloud, it has a 5 gigabyte free storage. It is upgradable up to 12 terabytes, and its features includes a backup and storage, file sharing, online storage, and syncing. It is compatible with Apple products, and it starts at 99 cents per month for 50 gigabytes of storage. In conclusion, if you use Apple devices, you can choose iCloud because it works best with Apple devices, and the pricing is cheaper. On the other hand, if you need something more versatile, you can choose Verizon Cloud because it can be used on multiple operating systems, although the pricing is a bit more expensive. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Now the question is, which one will you be choosing? Thanks for watching.